Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell cars in Forza Horizon 5. So first of all you want to open up these settings, then you want to go to the cars and then you're going to click buy new and used cars. Then you're going to travel to the nearest festival site. After that you're going to click auction house. Then you're going to click start an auction. And then you're going to select the car which you want to go ahead and sell. So for example, I want to sell this one. Then you're going to click auction car. And now you're going to select the price. So you want to go ahead and enter the price which you want to get. And then you're going to also leave the price, buyout price. If the person wants to buy it instantly, he can pay that much. And now let's leave the starting price 9,000 and auction length. Just select, it's either 1 hour free or 6 or more. And after that, you're going to click confirm and click OK. Now your auction will be listed. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.